Hello students, today in front of you I would like to discuss the graphical representation of motion of a body when body travel unequal distance in equal period of time, that is called non-uniform motion. So the graphical representation of distance time graph of non-uniform motion. Or speed. Non-uniform motion or speed is also known as the acceleration. Here the different point the object speed become larger either of leisure. So the time taken to cover a distance in a certain direction or to cover a distance non-directionally, then the speed, motion, velocity of the body can change their magnitude. So we know that there are two types of motion, uniform motion and velocity. Second, non-uniform motion, speed or velocity. The velocity of a body is non-uniform. The speed of a body is non-uniform, then the graph between the distance travel and the time taken is curved line that is called parabola. Curved line that is called parabola. Here is the graphical figure that indicates on x-axis time graph and on y-axis distance graph. Suppose a body is travel from O, the reference point, in equal interval of time, but it covers a distance, it covers a displacement which are unequal, then their time graph will be curved. Here OA is the curved line made in non-uniform motion speed because their time interval is equal but cover distance is unequal. So the curved line represent the non-uniform motion, speed and velocity. Velocity. According to figure, we come to a conclusion. Point 1, if the distance time graph of a body is a straight line, then the graph of speed within time and distance and time is always a straight line. But second point, if the distance time graph of a body is curved line, then speed is non-uniform. So here body moves with non-uniform speed, then the motion is said to be accelerated. So curved line OA represent non-uniform accelerated motion. But displacement time graph is drawn, then it will be especially velocity. जब डिस्प्लेसमेंट टाइम ग्राफ को ड्रॉन किया जाता है तो ऐसे ग्राफिकल सिचुएशन को हम कह सकते हैं कि यह एक वेलोसिटी है. यह वेलोसिटी को डिफाइन करता है बिकॉज वेलोसिटी ऑफ ए बॉडी is the when a body is displaced in a certain direction within the time period is said to be velocity. Velocity is vector quantity. Its ratio is displacement and the time. Therefore, the displacement time graph is said to be velocity. Graphical representation of motion can be drawn in two ways: uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Uniform speed and non-uniform speed. So, according to definition of motion, we can say and we can understand that when a body travel to make a straight line, that is said to be uniform motion, and when a body from a reference point produce a curved line graph, that is said to be non-uniform motion where the speed of a body is transitional, that produce different distance covered, different displacement covered in a certain and equal period of time. So such type of graph is said to be accelerated motion, accelerated velocity, speed, and that is always said the non-uniform motion or speed. If the class of graphical representation satisfied you, you may understand easily, then you must have to like and subscribe